Good morning, everyone. Students, I think you have completed your theory part of this goodwill and you have completed illustration number 1 also. Now we will start methods of valuation of goodwill. We have 3 methods of valuation of goodwill: average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. So first we'll talk about average profit method. And under this method we have 2 ways to solve that. First one is simple average profit method and another one is weighted average profit method. So let's start the simple average profit method. Okay, now you have to understand what is simple average profit. Students, I just ask you one question. You have suppose 5 subjects in your exam, okay, and each one is carrying 100 marks maximum. Fine. Now how do you find out your average? I think everyone know it very well. How do we calculate the average? You total the marks of all the 5 subjects, right? And you divide it by 5. All right. You have total the marks of your 5 subjects, total of 5 subjects divided by 5. So that is your average. So this method is also like this. It's very simple. So let's see first example. You will understand better. Second illustration. It's telling that Hari and Krishan were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1, and they decided, or you can say they admitted Shyam as a partner for 1/5 share in the profits. Now for this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was to be valued on the basis of 3 years purchase of last 5 years average profit, right? And the profits are given here. Students, 2-3 things are there to understand, right? This is just new for you. When a new partner is admitting, or certain other places are there which we have discussed in the theory part, when the partner is taking admission, retirement, death or amalgamation, right? These are the places, or internally if you are changing the profit sharing ratio. So we have to find out the goodwill. Goodwill means we have to compensate the sacrificing partner, right? Whoever will be losing his share in favor of a new partner, or the gaining partner, one has to sacrifice his share. Okay, now for sacrificing his share we have to pay the compensation to that person. Okay, and that compensation is called goodwill, right? So I have to find out the goodwill of the whole firm, yani ki total compensation, right? And in that compensation I will be giving his share. All right, now one partner is coming for 1/5 share, right? So we have to calculate the goodwill. Now question arises ki how to calculate the goodwill. Students, be very attentive. Goodwill calculate करने के लिए you have to take the profits of certain years, right? And in this question we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 years are given, as it's telling in the statement कि how do we calculate last 5 years average profit, right? 5 years का profit हमें दिया है, तो we have to find out its average, right? Average means, why do we find out the average? I just give you an example. Okay, I just say कि मुझे आपकी फर्म का 1 साल का प्रॉफिट चाहिए है. ओके, नाउ यू कैन से विच ईयर्स प्रॉफिट. इफ आई से 17 and 18 का प्रॉफिट, तो इट इज़ 50,000, राइट? मैं चाहूँगी 50,000 देना, बट लेने वाला कहेगा कि मुझे तो 15 and 16 का चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज़ मोर, राइट? अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू से कि 16-17 का ले लो, इसमें तो प्रॉफिट है ही नहीं, वी हैव अ लॉस. Okay, now this 14 and 15 is also less, and 13 and 14 is more than this. So this is the problem, ki which year's profit you want to have. I want to give you least amount, but the person who want to take, he want the more amount. Okay, so to remove this problem and to get rid of this dispute, we have decided, okay, let us find out the average of few years, right? किसी साल का कम, किसी का ज़्यादा, किसी में प्रॉफिट एंड किसी का लॉस, तो उसका हम सबका एवरेज फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं, राइट? सो ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी रिमूव्ड हियर. सो दैट इज द रीजन वी फाइंड द एवरेज, राइट? एवरेज प्रॉफिट वी टेक. Okay, so this will be given in the question ki how many years are there, 3 years average, 4 years and all. So this is last 5 years average profit we have to take. Okay, now another point to be focused is that valued on the basis of 3 years purchase, right? This is very important term. You will find in all the questions. 3 years purchase means कि I am not satisfied with 1 year's profit. Okay, मैंने कहा कि मुझे 1 साल का प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहिए आपका, 1 year इज़ वेरी लेस, यू नो, मुझे आपके 3 साल का प्रॉफिट चाहिए एज अ गुडविल. फाइन. और आई कैन से कि 3 साल से भी नहीं चलेगा, आई वॉन्ट 5 years गुडविल, सो आई विल से कि 5 years परचेज. वन में डिसाइड फॉर 2 years, तो क्वेश्चन क्या होगा, 2 years परचेज. एंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन दे आर डिसाइडिंग कि आई वॉन्ट योर 3 years purchase, means 3 years profit as a goodwill I will be taking. Have you understood these two terms? These are the special one. 5 years average profit, this can be any number in the question. जो होगा वो आपको कैलकुलेट करना होगा, ठीक है. लॉस होगा तो माइनस करेंगे, प्रॉफिट्स होंगे तो प्लस करेंगे. I'll tell you how to do, right? And next important term is 3 years purchase, 2 years purchase, 5 years purchase, whatever will be given. Later on we will be multiplying with this figure, 3, 2, 5, whatever. All right, students? So let's see how to solve this question. And one more thing has left. We take the normal profits, right? These are the profits given, and if there is any abnormality in these years, abnormality means if you have any abnormal profit, so we will reduce its effect, and if we have any abnormal loss, so we will reduce its effect also. Fine. How to remove the effects of abnormal losses and profit, that we will see in illustration. All right, students, 3 basic points were there to be focused. Number of years purchased, average profit, and abnormality, right? Abnormal factor we will remove. Let's solve the question. So it's given in the statement, years and profit. Fine. So I'll be taking, these are the years, 2013, 14, 14, 15, and so on. And profits are given, 50,000, 40,000, 75,000 and all, right? So it's given here. 13 and 14, it's 50,000. Okay, so I have taken 50,000. This is my normal profit. Fine. Now next is your 14 and 15. It's given 40,000, right? Now what it is telling about that? The statement is telling, the picture quality is not clear. Okay, the profit of 2014 and 15 was calculated after charging rupees 10,000. This is what, for abnormal loss of goods by firm, right? So this is telling the profit of 2014 and 15 was calculated, right? This profit has been calculated after charging rupees 10,000 for abnormal loss of goods by the firm, right, students? So there was an abnormal loss in the firm. Abnormal loss can be due to fire breakout in the firm, or any other reason can be there, any accidental reason can be there. So we have to remove the abnormality, abnormal effect we have to remove. So because of this 10,000, your profit must have reduced, right? Are you getting? कि ये लॉस है हमारा, लॉस हमने दिखाया होगा तो हमारे प्रॉफिट्स कम हो गए. इफ़ आई डोंट शो दिस लॉस, एंड इफ आई वुड हैवंट शोन दिस लॉस, तो माई प्रॉफिट्स वुड हैव इंक्रीज्ड बाय 10,000. आर यू गेटिंग स्टूडेंट्स? लॉस दिखाया तो मेरे 10,000 कम हो गए ना. तो टू रिमूव इट्स एबनॉर्मल इफेक्ट, व्हाट आई विल डू, I will add this 10,000 back in this year, right? So you can see here, this was the 40,000 given in the question here, and abnormal loss was there, so I will add it back, right? So abnormal effect hata diya maine. Now this is 50,000. So this is what? Normal profits. Have you understood how to remove the abnormality effect, right? Now there is no other statement given in this question. Rest of the profits are very much normal. So 15 and 16 ka you can see it's 75,000, it's given here, and 16, 17 ka it's loss. It is loss given, right? 25,000 का loss है तो we'll keep it in the bracket, means we will reduce it. ये हमें minus करना होगा. And 17, 18 का 50,000 profit is given, we have taken. Fine. So we will add all these. Remember students, we will add these 3 and this one, and this 25,000 we will reduce. So its total is 2 lakh. Okay. How to find out the average? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years are there. So this will be divided by 5. 2 lakh divided by 5. This comes your 40,000. Now 40,000 is your average profit, and average profit is always of 1 year. All right. So first step we have calculated of this average profit. Now how to find out the goodwill? It's asking to calculate goodwill of the firm, right? After adjusting the following. So how to calculate the goodwill? This average profit 40,000 multiply by number of years purchase, right? So what is the number of year purchase? 3. So this 40,000 will be multiplied by 3. So this comes 1,20,000 is your goodwill. Is that clear, students? Fine. So we have completed illustration number 2. Now you have to do all these illustrations, all these average method. Fine. Average profit method you have to calculate. I take one more illustration. This will be helpful for you. I just tell you the hints only. Rest of the question you can do yourself. So what you will find in this question, here it is telling Aman purchased Bharat's business with effect from 1st April 2020, and it was agreed that firm's goodwill will be valued at 2 years purchase. Okay. So how many years are given? 2 years purchase. First point. And of average normal profit of the last 3 years, right? How many years average we have to take? Average normal profit of last 3 years. कि it should be average profit and normal profit होना चाहिए. If you have some abnormalities given in the question, so we will reduce its effect. Fine. Now what is given? It's telling profit of Bharat's business for last 3 years ended 31st March were 2018 का profit is given 1 lakh. Okay. So it is 1 lakh, but what else it is telling? It's telling including an abnormal gain of rupees 10,000. Pay attention, students. It is not loss. It's telling abnormal gain. So this is also abnormality. Either you have an abnormal loss or gain. We have to remove its effect. लॉसेस हैं तो हम प्लस कर देंगे क्योंकि लॉसेस की वजह से प्रॉफिट कम हो गया. गेन है तो गेन से आपका प्रॉफिट बढ़ जाता है, ये बढ़ा हुआ है. तो व्हाट टू डू? वी विल रिड्यूस दिस 10,000 क्योंकि एबनॉर्मल गेन है. नॉर्मल कंडीशंस में आपको ये गेन नहीं होगा, तो वी विल रिड्यूस दिस 10,000 आउट ऑफ दिस 1 lakh. फाइन. सो यू कैन सी हियर 1 lakh minus 10,000, तो योर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज 90,000. फाइन. नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए आप देखेंगे इट्स 2019. 1,10,000 आफ्टर चार्जिंग एन एबनॉर्मल लॉस ऑफ रुपीज 20,000. राइट. सो व्हाट इट इज टेलिंग? एन एबनॉर्मल लॉस. ये लॉस है आपका 20,000 abnormal loss. So what happened due to this abnormal loss? Your profit has reduced. Now what to do? We will add this 20,000 in 1,10,000, right? So this comes your 1,10,000 plus 20 is 1,30,000. Fine. And 2020 it's giving it has given 85,000 rupees, right? And including non-business income rupees 5,000. So it is including this 85,000 is including non business income. आपकी पर्सनल इनकम है 5,000, वो आपने बिजनेस इनकम में ऐड कर रखी है. वाई? इट्स नॉट राइट. सो जस्ट रिड्यूस दिस 5,000 आउट ऑफ दिस 85. So we can see 85,000 minus 5,000. Your normal profit is 80,000, right? So we have 3 years average we have to take. Fine. 3 years profit was given, so we have total that. This is 3 lakh. Now how to find out the average? 3 lakh divided by 3 years. It comes 1 lakh. Fine. 1 lakh is your average profit. Okay. Now this 1 lakh will be multiplied by how many years? Number of years purchase? It's 2 years purchase. So we will multiply by 2. So you can see here 1 lakh into 2 is your 2 lakh. So this 2 lakh rupees is your goodwill. Is that clear, students? Fine. So this way we have to do these questions. So you should try all these further questions. I'm telling you well in advance. Illustration number 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? Till 7th illustration you should try yourself. Although I'll be giving in homework. And if you have any problem, so I'll take these illustrations, but you must try it yourself. So you will understand better tomorrow. Fine, students? Thank you so much.